Mau again. Welcome back and Happy New Year everyone. So, sana happy yung New Year ninyo kahit na hindi pa tayo naka-recover sa pananalasa ng bagyong Odette. So, right now, it's already January 3, 2022 and right now, nasa Dumaguete City kami kasi dun sa Lapu-Lapu, wala pa rin kuryente, walang signal, walang internet, so hindi kami makapag-work ni hubby. So we decided na magstay na muna dito sa bahay ng aunt niya sa Dumaguete para dito muna siya mag-work. And then ako, I asked permission also sa company na dalhin ko yung asset ko para dito na rin mag-work. So this is our temporary home for 2 weeks and then balik ulit kami ng Cebu on January 16. So sana maging okay na ang lahat pagbalik namin. Right now, medyo okay na din yung panahon. Ayan. Maaraw na kasi since nung dumating kami, that was December 30. Pagdating namin dito sa Dumaguete, super maulan. Bumiyahe kami na umuulan tapos hanggang kahapon maulan pa din. So, praise God, ngayon maaraw na siya. So, magagawa na namin yung mga gusto namin gawin. Bago ang lahat, devotional muna tayo. Right? So today, hindi pa ako makapag-work because I don't have access to our system yet, and also we are still looking for a prepaid internet na magagamit namin dito. So I'll just grab the chance to help clean up the surroundings ng bahay kasi sayang din naman ang panahon and minsan lang may tao dito. So yeah, join with me and I hope you'll enjoy this video. Hey guys, good morning. So happy Sunday everyone. Right now we are heading to church and of course I am showing you the way because why not? Look at that. Ang ganda ng view, 'di ba? But of course, hindi ko na na-film yung church service because I am not comfortable of flashing cameras in people's faces. And right after the church service, we decided to just roam around Sibulan because na-curious lang ako guys kung ano meron dito. And it satisfies my curiosity because tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng surroundings, right? And just an FYI guys, well, alam kong hindi kayo curious but it doesn't matter. So, Sibulan is the first place I feel in love with the first time I saw it because I feel like peaceful, tapos ang linis-linis ng paligid. It's very green. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang dami pa niyang malalaking puno and then super green yung surroundings. And isa pa, wala pa siyang masyadong malalaking building gaya ng sa city and it's not that crowded as well. So, that is why I like it here and I love to be in this place. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this view. And then, after namin maglibot sa Sibulan, we headed to the City, and as you can see, that's the Sibulan University. And maybe curious din kayo, but I love to share footage like this because to me, this is kind of like therapy. Seeing footage like this is very therapeutic for me. And from green sceneries, let's take a look as well the seaside of the City. Look at that guys, isn't it amazing? And of course, hindi ko makakalimutan every time na magpunta kami ng Dumaguete City, Dumaguete Boulevard. And while roaming around the boulevard, we saw this like station, coffee station. And I was really amazed by this guys kasi look at that, lahat DIY. So wala silang machine, lahat ay ginawa nila manually and I was really amazed by this and really inspired to make my own coffee station soon.
And then, after having our coffee, we decided to take a short road trip papuntang Bacong, the next place after Dumaguete City, since it's still early that evening. And then, after that, balik ulit ng Boulevard. And this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo ako today. Kapag hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, please consider subscribing and click that bell button below so you will get notifications every time I post a new video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I'll see you on my next one. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye!